Welcome to Astra Stocks. Today, we're going to take a look at the market dip that's been happening in the Indian stock market particularly. As of today, that is 7th March 2022, we have noticed a gradual decline in the stock market before it even opened. So, we'll take a look at the reasons behind that. Sensex has dropped by almost 1,500 points to 52,857, which is a decline of 2.72%. Nifty50 has also declined by 460 points to 15,800, which is a 2.83% decrease. It's important to note here that the market indices are being dragged down mainly by the automobile industry. We can see that in the Nifty50, almost 46 stocks are in the red zone. And when we talk about sectors in the index, except metal, all sectors are down by at least 2 to 5%. Let's take a look at a real-time example. ONGC is the biggest gainer so far. Their stock has gone up in price by 3.48% at least. Maruti Suzuki stock has been the biggest loser today. Their stock has gone down by at least 5.92%. The most profitable sector is the Nifty metal, which has seen an increase of 0.11%, and the Nifty auto sector has taken a huge hit by at least 4.53%, and this is the biggest loser in terms of sectors. The most important and obvious reason behind this fall in the automobile industry is the Russia-Ukraine conflict that's happening right now. It makes sense when you realize Russia and Ukraine are the biggest producers of semiconductors in the world. When they are facing a conflict and when work has been halted, car sales throughout the world are getting affected because of this. This has a huge impact on the global market. The war itself has contributed to a steep rise in the price of crude oil. The price of crude oil has gone up to $128, and this will take a significant hit in the global growth as well as inflation. So, it's safe to say that during any particular conflict such as the war that is going on right now, energy and metal are safe sectors to invest in. You'll obviously have a question on how this affects the Indian market. India's exports to Russia are a huge factor in deciding this. So the economic sanctions imposed on Russia will obviously affect Indian market as such. Regardless of this, banking sector will always stay strong in the Indian market. Now, before the market opened earlier today, there was a huge technical glitch in the NSE which caused the Nifty50 stocks to freeze, and this caused general panic among the crowd. But right now, the situation has reversed back to normal. We advise the investors not to panic and stay in the market without closing their position. Despite this uncertain global situation, we've always seen that there's a fall in the stock market whenever there is a conflict like this going on in the world. But the market recovery right after these incidents is immediate. So, stay focused and follow your investment strategy as always. We'll be back with more updates. Like this video, share this with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay updated.